Want to be at the center of your footage? Here's how. Mavic Mini offers an instant cinematic look with Circle. Take off and hover at least 2 meters above the ground before shooting. Open the DJI Fly app and choose Circle in QuickShots. Set the circle direction and select your subject by tapping plus on the subject or dragging a box around it. Tap Start and Mavic Mini will begin recording while flying in a circle around your subject using its current distance as the radius. To exit a quick shot during shooting, tap the X on the right side of your screen, or short press the upper left button on the remote controller and the aircraft will stop and hover in place. After shooting, the app will automatically generate a 15-second video. You can preview the video you just finished in the Playback interface, and you will find it has been automatically edited with the background music. Tap the QuickShots icon in the bottom right to switch back to the original clip. You can also tap Edit at the bottom right of the screen to redo the edit. Don't forget to share your epic shot on social media.